Hi guys, I hope you are doing well. In this session, we are going to talk about how we can split the Excel data in multiple worksheets using pandas based on single column. So guys, look at this Excel data where we have the column name which is location. Based on these location, I want to split the data in multiple worksheets. Fine. So let's go to the Jupyter notebook and we'll see how we can split the data. So guys, first of all, I'm going to import the library which is pandas. Fine. Now, first of all, I want to read this specific file, which is random sales data, right? So how we can read the data? Simple df equal to pd.read excel. And here I can supply that particular file name. Fine. And now I'm going to show you the data, which is df.head. So guys, this is my data where we have location, region, and so on. So guys, based on location, we will split the data in a single workbook. Fine. So let me check the unique location from this data frame. Fine. So how we can check the unique data from this particular column, which is location? So simple df, and here you can define the column name, which is location, and unique. So guys, these are the states of US. Based on these state, I need to filter the data. So first of all, let me apply a loop over the unique location. So for an example, for state in df and here location, which is unique, and now print state. So guys, these are my the unique state. Now what I need to do is I'm going to create a blank template. Okay, so blank template. So how we can create the blank template? So here I'm going to taking a variable which is writer equal to pd dot excel writer. First of all, you need to define the file name. So for an example, split it raw data dot excel sx. And here I'm using the engine which is excel sx writer. So based on this particular line, we will create a new file which is splitted raw data. Okay. Now I need to apply the same loop, this one. So let me copy this. And here I'm going to taking a variable which is new df. This is the new data frame. In this data frame, I will be store the filtered data, right? So based on the state, I will filter the data from the particular column which is location. Okay. So my data frame name which is df, and here what I want to filter, I want to filter the state. So df, which is location, the state. For an example, New York, New Jersey, and so on. Once I filter the data, and that data will be stored in new df. Then simple, what can I do here? New df to excel. Okay, in which excel I want to save this data, which is writer. So guys, here once you supplied that particular file name which is writer, and after that you need to define the sheet name as well. So here the sheet name will be state, whatever the state you are going to filter. So here I don't want to the index. For an example, you can see here, so this is 0 1 2 3 and so on. So these are the index. I don't want this particular index in my the spreadsheet, right? So what can I do here? So I can pass here index equal to false. So simple, what will happen? First of all, I will be filter the data based on the New York. Then New York data will be stored in new df. Then I will export this data in this particular file with the help of New York state, right? In the next iteration, the New Jersey will come. The New Jersey will filter this data once again in new df. And once again, I will export the data in the same workbook with the help of different worksheet, which is New Jersey, and so on. After filtering the data of all these state, what I will do, I will save this particular writer.save. That's it. Now let me execute this particular cell. Fine. So once I run this particular cell, I can open this particular file, which is splitted raw data, right? So you can see here, this is the file name, which is splitted raw data. Now let me open this. So guys, you can see here, I have all these state, right? Which is New York, New Jersey, Washington, and so on. So guys, you can see here, based on couple of lines, we have splitted the Excel data based on location column. So let me summarize once again. So guys, first of all, I read the data and find out the unique location. And then I created a blank template by the splitted raw data. And our engine should be XLX writer because we are writing the data, right? So using the loop, we can filter the data based on the state, and we can store the state data in new df, right? So here the new df is nothing, is the data frame, and export the new df into the writer template based on the sheet name, which is state. That's it. So guys, I hope you understood the concept of split the Excel data in multiple tabs. In the next session, we will learn how we can combine the multiple sheets in a single workbook. So guys, do practice of this session. Thanks for watching and have a great day.